G here from OG Creations. It's monster season. Let's celebrate by running through the woods and howling at the moon. This year, I have created 4 exciting tie-dyes for a spooktacular Halloween inspired by classic movie monsters.
I'm listening.
The Reanimated, the Intended, the Cursed, the Undead. These long-form tutorials will be released weekly during the month of October. Additionally, I have created a full line of men's boxer briefs, bikinis, strings, thongs, and jocks for each of these tie-dyes. This week, beware of the Cursed. The idea for this one was practically handed to me. Supply chain, universe, and programming gods all played a part in my decision-making process.
I decided.
Earlier this year, Dharma Trading released a new ice dye named Blood Moon. On September 7th, we experienced a total lunar eclipse. The view was totally gorge and instantly gave me Halloween chills.
And I'm a ghost.
The next day,
I was flipping through Apple TV and came across Wolfman, the original, not the seriously shitty remake.
So bad.
Fine, I'll do it.
A brief history. In 1941, Universal released the classic film, The Wolfman. It was filled with stalker vibes.
Sorry, we haven't any like that just now.
Oh, yes, you have. Don't you remember? On your dressing table up in your room.
No one likes a stalker.
In my room?
Misogynistic vibes.
This is only wood and silver, and it hasn't blue eyes.
My eyes are up here.
What big eyes you have, Grandma.
And gypsy vibes. The best part was Melva, the gypsy woman. She reminded me of one of my favorite Halloween films and pure evil antagonists from Drag Me to Hell.
Mrs. Ganesh.
As a dedicated and absolutely insane cat dad. There are 2 scenes that I use as a perfect opportunity for a kitchen run, or I just fast forward through.
If you know, you know.
Harnessing the powerful energy of the blood moon, let's create significant change and transform some t-shirts. My intuition tells me that these are going to be awesome. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or 2, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I lay my shirt flat, match up all the seams, and smooth out any wrinkles. Starting at the shoulder seam, I begin to twist the fabric. When I'm happy with the twist, I place it inside my trough. For my trough, I'm using a gutter extension, known as a dripper flipper, which I purchased from Amazon. This will hold the shirt in place as the ice slowly melts, allowing for the dry dye particles to penetrate the fabric. I lay a thick layer of ice on top of the twisted shirt. Like I said before, I'm using a single dye on this one, Blood Moon from Dharma. It was specially formulated for use on ice dyes. I wanted this one to be fully saturated, like you're encased in the eerie red glow of the blood moon, so using a ton of dye. I probably didn't have to use as much as I did, but like double bagging it, better safe than sorry. A thick layer of soda ash was added on top. Once the ice was fully melted, I set it aside for 48 hours in a 70-degree space to cure. And then rinsed it in cold water and slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all that slimy soda ash has been removed. It was ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I think this color is one of Dharma's best ice dyes. The breakouts are beautiful, it's a little creepy, it's a little eerie, it's perfect. I hope you have a beautiful Halloween. Blessed be. I'll see you next time.